Homasy portable vacuum utilizes a 100W ultra-high power motor with suction up to 6 kPa. In addition to sucking out daily pet hair and paper debris, it can also clear those hard-to-reach unseen motes as small as 0.3 microns, hidden deeply in sofas and mattresses. Homasy vacuum aims to provide an all-around protection for your family. 5 kPa easily sucks up various kinds of fine dust by means of multiple accessories. Meanwhile, with the air outlets on 2 sides, it can keep the filter clean and protect the collection container. With 3 different types of attachments, the portable cordless vacuum can help you thoroughly clean the dust of sofa, wall, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. The rubber jar attachment can even make it suck up to 100 milliliters of liquid for each time. Provide a full range of cleaning your home environment. No more worry about liquid and dead corners.